Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram Reels or Instagram Reels on your WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp and you want to share Instagram Reels, this is what to do. Open Instagram Reels, just about any video that you see. This is actually a video. I actually disabled the audio. You click on this share icon. Now there are different options to share on WhatsApp. This is going to share the link of the video, but what you should look for is the status. Now I'm going to swipe left and this is the status. I can click on the status right now. This is loading right now. The reason why it's doing that is because it's downloading the video. Now this is going to be depending on the exact video that you are trying to download. So allow it to download. Once you finish downloading, you can now share on your WhatsApp.
If you drink.
So I do not want the video to play too long, but for your case, you can decide to play it for a long time. Now the video is being sent to your WhatsApp. Let me go ahead and open my WhatsApp and then go to status. This is the video sending right now. So if you click on it, you can see the video is being uploaded. That's the reason why it's writing sending. So once you finish sending and you click on it, you can start playing the video like every other video. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I'm going to see you on the next one. The video is still uploading. My internet is very slow. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one. If you have further issues doing this, let me know on the comment section and hopefully we address that. See you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.